Hi, first graders. It's Mrs. Williams here to read you one of our favorite books. This is not a new book. It's one we really like in the classroom. Pete the Cat and the Cool Cat Boogie. It's written by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete the Cat was learning a new dance, the Cool Cat Boogie. Then Grumpy Toad came along. I really dig that song, but Pete, you dance all wrong. Pete did not know what to say. He just turned and walked away. Pete couldn't sleep at all that night. What if Grumpy Toad was right? What if my moves are bad? The thought of not dancing made Pete feel sad. Dancing is like magic. When I hear a groovy beat, I'm full of happy in my feet. I won't give up. I love to dance. Let me give it one more chance. So he's in his room dancing. Pete was practicing the Cool Cat Boogie when he saw Squirrel. Hey, Squirrel, how do you dance? How do you groove? Can you teach me how to move? So here's Squirrel showing Squirrel's moves. Sure, Pete, it's a simple song. Just cha-cha-cha and dance along. So Squirrel's dancing with Pete. Ah, ouch, Pete, you stepped on my toes. That's not how this dance goes. Pete did not know what to say. He just turned and walked away. Poor Pete, he's having a hard time. But dancing is like magic. When I hear a groovy beat, I'm full of happy in my feet. I won't give up. I love to dance. Let me give it one more chance. So he's having a good attitude about it. Pete was still practicing the Cool Cat Boogie when Gus came along. Hey guys, how do you dance? How do you groove? Can you teach me how to move? Sure, Pete, it's a simple song. Just do the robot. Dance along. He's learning the robot dance. Ouch, Pete, you bopped me on the nose. That is not how this dance goes. Pete did not know what to say. He just turned and walked away. Poor Pete. But dancing is like magic. When I hear a groovy beat, I'm full of happy in my feet. I won't give up. I love to dance. Let me give it one more chance. So I'm going to try again. Got a pretty rainbow in this picture. Music coming out of the speakers. Pete was still trying to do the Cool Cat Boogie when Turtle came along. Hey, Turtle, how do you dance? How do you groove? Can you teach me how to move? So this is a cool turtle. He's got earbuds in and listening to his tunes. Sure, Pete, it's a simple song. Just shake your tail and dance along. So Turtle's showing him how he dances. Wise old Owl had been watching from his tree. Pete, it doesn't matter how you move as long as you're being you. So the wise owl has some words of wisdom here to offer Pete. You're right. I never want to miss a chance to dance. When you hear a groovy beat and you feel happy in your feet, just dance, dance, dance. So all of his friends are here on the dance floor with Pete. And then here in the back is the dance that we do after we read the story. And you can do it at home. Okay, so Cool Cat Boogie, it says, I want to boogie with you. Grab your boogie shoes. So you slide right, shake your tail. You slide left, you shake your tail. And then now clap, 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 real smooth. You got to the groove. And then you jump. And then you rock and roll. So when you rock and roll, you do this. Yes. And then you jump back. And you rock and roll when you're going back. And then the next thing that you do is, that's neat. You got the beat. And then you grab your air guitar and rock it out like Pete. Okay, so your air guitar, you're pretending you're playing guitar. Okay, so and here's the pictures of how the dance goes. I'll hold it up here real still, so hoping you can see it, of what it says to do for the dance. But we've practiced it at school, so you probably remember it. And then at the end of the book, there's a story about Kimberly and James Dean. Okay, so he sat down at their kitchen table to do work on a children's book together. Their dream finally became a reality when the release of Pete the Cat and his magic sunglasses. Both left corporate jobs in the late 90s. James was an electrical engineer, and Kimberly worked in the press office of the governor of Georgia to pursue their passion for art. And they have experienced a life made up of strange and wonderful coincidences ever since. Pete the Cat has brought magic into their lives. They worked in side-by-side studios in Savannah, Georgia, sharing their home with 5 cats and Emma the pug. So I guess they have 5 cats and a dog, Emma the pug. So Pete the Cat. And anyhow, boys and girls, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for our Zoom class. Take care. Bye-bye.